Welcome back, boys and girls. Today's book is called Skeleton's Big Sneeze by Steve Metzer, illustrated by Dean Gray. Skeleton's Big Sneeze. It's Witch's Halloween party tonight, Skeleton exclaimed. I can't wait. There will be scary games and a talent show, too. What should I do at the talent show? Skeleton wondered. Sing a song? Juggle? Rockin' robot? Maybe I'll just do my monster-pleasing tap dance. Achoo! Skeleton sneezed softly. Uh-oh, I hope I'm not catching a cold. Skeleton's clock chimed. Slimy snakes, she cried. I've got to go. Skeleton raced to Witch's house and rang the doorbell. Shivering and sneezed a little bit louder. Achoo! Welcome, Witch shrieked. Come in and join us. Skeleton followed the spooky music to the living room. All of Skeleton's friends were already there. Wolfman and Dracula were playing pin the tail on the black cat. Mummy was trying to tag Frankenstein. And Ghost was looking for the Invisible Man. Can you spot the Invisible Man? There he is. Hey, Skeleton, the Invisible Man called. Do you want to join our game of hide and seek? That sounds like achoo! Skeleton's bones rattled with a clickety-clack. Spiders and bats. If I sneeze, it would be too easy to find me, she thought. How about a game of haunted chairs instead? Isn't this fun? Skeleton cried out as one of the chairs grabbed her. I win, Ghost shouted. Now let's play my favorite game, peekaboo. Maybe later, Witch said, but now it's time for the terrible talent show. I'll start, Mummy said, even though I usually wrap things up. Mummy performed magic tricks. With a puff of smoke, he made Dracula disappear. Then Mummy pulled a hissing cobra out of his top hat. I'm next, Skeleton exclaimed. I'm going to perform my Bouncy Bones tappity-tap dance, Skeleton sang, with a click to the left and a clack to the right. Spin and jump and oh no, Skeleton froze. Another sneeze was coming, a big one. Achoo! Skeleton sneezed so loudly that her bones flew everywhere. Bat-tastic, the Invisible Man shouted. Do it again, howled Wolfman. Spooktacular, Witch screamed. She's the hands-down winner. But I didn't mean to fall apart, Skeleton said. Help me, please. Ghost tried to scare Skeleton Bones back in place. Boo! But that didn't work. Let me try, Mummy said. Perfect. Now she's fit for a tomb. I don't think that's right, Skeleton said. I'm great with puzzles, Dracula said. Just watch. But that didn't work either. What am I going to do? Skeleton sighed. Step aside, monsters, Witch called out. Let me show you how it's done. Witch waved her wand and a cloud of smoke surrounded Skeleton. She took out some items from her pocket and chanted. Chicken bone, raven's feather, skeleton bones, back together. Do you think Witch's spell worked? Let's turn the page and see. When the smoke cleared, Skeleton looked down. Thank you, Witch. I'm me again. You're very welcome, Witch replied. But you really should take care of that cold. How about some rotten apple tea? Witch led her friends to the dinner table. And now let's have our annual Halloween feast, she announced. Skeleton picked up a bowl, but then, is everything all right, Witch asked. Skeleton said, what do you think comes next? Is it a sneeze? Amazing party. The end. And here's some fun facts about bones. The longest and heaviest bone in the human body is the thigh bone, also known as the femur, which is the upper leg. Human hands have 27 bones in 3 groups. The phalanges in your fingers and thumbs, the metacarpals in the palm, and the carpals in the wrist. The smallest human bone is the stapes, one of the 3 tiny bones in each middle ear. It is less than 1 inch long. The stapes bone helps transmit sound waves through the eardrum and enables hearing. Babies have about 300 bones in their bodies at birth. Some bones begin to join together so that a full-grown adult has a grand total of 206 bones. Wow. See you in our next story.